Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. So today's job notification has come from TCS NQT. So I have a good news for all of you. As I have mentioned on the first of this month, that is on first week of February, I have published one video based on the hiring notice of TCS NQT for the non-engineering graduates. So this time I have bring this news for all the engineering graduates as well as MCA, BCA, those candidates can apply for this job. Okay, so as you can see, the test date, those who have already registered for this exam has been scheduled for 18th, 19th and 21st of February. So they are giving again the opportunity, because last time only 2 lakh registrations are allowed to submit through the portal. So they are opening this link again. So the name of this drive is Special Edition of TCS NQT for TCS hiring. So it is applicable only for the graduates of 2019 and 2020. So those who are freshers still have not got a chance to crack the interview of TCS or any other company, those can get a chance to apply through this drive, and it is a very good opportunity. As I have already mentioned that in the starting of this month they have already published for the registration of non-engineering graduates, as well as they are having engineering graduates through this TCS NQT examination. So the name is Special Edition of TCS NQT TCS hiring. Last date of registration is 27th February. So you are getting once again chance to apply for this drive. So the test date, as they have declared, 10th March. Okay, so here also some challenges like limited registration will be there, first come first serve basis. So as soon as you are getting the notification, you can apply, because I know that all of the candidates previously have faced some problems, like for the apply for drive option now are not coming. I have also cleared that doubts in my previous videos. You have commented your doubts, and I have also shared my knowledge with all of you to solve those queries. So this time also I am mentioning limited registration are there. So as soon as you are getting the notification, you can register. Okay, so the last date is mentioned 27th February. Within this you have to apply for this special edition of TCS NQT for TCS hiring. So one more thing I want to say, if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel, because you will be beneficiated like this type of job updates and important news for jobs and career guidance from our channel. So if you are visiting second time in our channel, so to get latest job notification, please hit the subscribe button, because it gives us motivation. So now I will discuss how to register for this drive. Okay, so by clicking on register now, one form will be open to you, the login form. So as I have already created my account, so I can directly log in here through my account. So those who are not created their account, they will create their account by clicking on create account. Okay, so the create account page looks like this. So you have to select I am a learner, then your full name, your mail ID, password, your confirmation of password, phone number, then the captcha code. Then you have to fill the captcha code and register this. Register on this account. Okay, so then if you are a sign in candidate, then you need to click on sign in, because after registration there are few parts also. So you have to click on sign in. So after logging in, you can see the page is again opening to me. So now you can see the actual registration form has opened. Previously we have created one account. Okay, so that is the initial part for this registration. If you have no account, okay, if you have account already, last time you were unable to apply for unable to give the examination for some reason, then you can directly log in through that account and register for this special edition of TCS hiring drive, TCS NQT. So they're mentioning that only graduates with BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc degree can apply for this job, who all have passed through the year of 2019 and 2020, those are eligible for this special edition of TCS NQT examination. So the eligibility criteria is, again I am mentioning that 60% or 6 CGPA throughout in the academics career. Highest qualification must be you have to do the full-time course, no extended education, gap duration not beyond 27 months until highest state qualification, no active backlogs are required. So you have to fill all these details like personal details, your gender, your phone number, then you have to generate that OTP, your educational details, then the test details. So you have to choose which examination you like to give. Like if you want to get a job in IT industry, I want to mention one more thing, that through TCS NQT marks you can eligible for the various brand who are hiring the candidates for the TCS NQT course. So it is a very good thing for all of the candidates who are getting a very good score in NQT, so that they are getting chance to sit in drive option, off campus drive option, TCS as well as many other companies like Chroma, then TCS Communication, that is Tata Communication. Those all like to hire the candidates through this NQT score. Okay, so then you need to click on subject NQT, that IT programming, then the examination detail. I must say this drive is offline drive, not this is an online drive, so you have to select the state from this drop down option. Then you have to select the city preference. As I have mentioned that first soon first come service, limited registration they will take. So then you have to select this are you a person with disability or not, then you have to upload your picture, then you have to put the captcha code here, then declaration, then submit the registration. So this is the all things I need to mention for the registration steps. So after successful registration you will get the admit card before the examination of 10th March. As I have mentioned, 27th February is last date and exam date is on 10th March. So after getting admit card you will be eligible to give the test. So all the best guys, hope you will give the exam this time, because this year again they are hiring at the same time in the February cycle. Both non-engineering graduates already have registered for their drives, and engineering graduates are now get a chance to apply for this drive for 2019 and 2020 batch. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates. If you have some doubt, then please don't hesitate to comment below section, and also you can follow me in my Instagram profile Job Updates by Verma, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.